Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset Honda CRV Oil Light 2010 Easy Method. Start with the key to on, but do not start the engine. Then press and hold the trip button until the maintenance light blinks and the display shows dashes. Release the button, then turn the key off and back on to verify the oil light is cleared. This method works on most dash configurations and is fast and reliable. This simple step-by-step will guide you through the reset smoothly and confidently. First, confirm the ignition is in on position without starting the engine, then press and hold the trip meter reset until the maintenance indicator counts down or flashes. After it blinks or shows zeros, release the button and cycle the ignition off then on to check. If the light persists, perform the sequence once more with steady, even presses for consistent results. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making easy car guides you can trust. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh cabin after you change oil or reset lights. It masks that garage smell and makes drives nicer. I dropped a link and other deals in the description for you to check out. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If your reset attempt fails, don't worry. Small troubleshooting steps usually fix it. Try cleaning around the trip button and ensuring your presses are firm and sustained, since loose buttons can prevent the sequence. Refer to the owner manual for any dash-specific instructions that might change the steps slightly by trim. Finally, if the light remains on after retries, seek a professional diagnostic to rule out sensor or system faults for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.